my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use Android on your phone. Today we'll explain how to change network type on your Android phone. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Settings. Then press on Dual SIM Cellular Network. After that, click on SIM number 1. Then press on Preferred Network Type. Here you can find several options: 4G, 3G and 2G. Second one, 3G and 2G. And last one, 2G only. I prefer to change it to 4G, 3G, 2G Auto. Just press on this icon like this. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to change network type on your Android phone. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.